Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on save water. Let's start the video. First line: water is very important for life. Second line: we need water to drink, cook and clean. Third line: do not let water overflow from tanks. Fourth line: reuse water for cleaning. Fifth line: close taps tightly after using them. Sixth line: turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Seventh line: wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl, not under running water. Eighth line: use only as much water as you need. Ninth line: saving water helps save the planet. 10th line: save water today for a better tomorrow. Thank you friends. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more useful videos.